So we finally made it to our last stop on Best of the Beach desserts. First we started out with donuts, then we went to ice cream, and now we're gonna have a mystery dessert at the Sugar Factory. But first, I actually got some fan tweets I gotta read here. Check this out, stuff is coming through. This one's from Turbo Muffin. Hey Jason, ... you are sweet. Thanks, Turbo Muffin. That's awesome. This one's from @PattyCakes. Your show sucks fireballs. And also, why don't you review places that aren't on the beach? Because we're on the beach, bro. Suck my fireballs. All right, and this one's from Sweet Tooth Willie. This looks good. I wish I could dip Jason in Nutella and roll him up in a crepe. Yummy. From Sweet Tooth Willie. You need help, buddy. All right, let's do Sugar Factory. Come on, let's do this. So this is Sugar Factory. This place is so cool. They're basically known for their couture pops. And what that is, if you guys don't know, is basically a designer lollipop. They're really famous and well known and loved by celebrities. This place is like a candy extravaganza. But here's the couture pops. Couture. Oh, it's sparkly.
Hi, can I help you with that?
Hi. Are you Mark?
I'm Brian.
Oh, are you Brian?
I am Brian.
I'm Jason.
Welcome to Sugar Factory.
Oh, cool. They told me to come by here.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I heard you guys had like a mystery treat for me to try.
We have a special treat for you.
Is that true?
That's very true.
I'd love to try it, but you know, this place is incredible. Would you mind showing me around?
Show you around. Great.
It's awesome.
Welcome to our retail space. We have over 500 different candies to choose from. Really, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Brian, that's a 5-pound gummy bear.
That's a 5-pound gummy bear. Try to eat
That's
that in one
amazing.
session. So yeah, everything you can imagine here. Anything you grew up with in your childhood, there's over 500 different types of candy in here. So
This is
something
amazing.
for everyone.
This place looks huge. There's more to it, right?
There's much more to it. Bars, from our Instagrammable appetizers to our over-the-top King Kong Sundae.
So wait, this is a candy shop, but you got bars.
There's everything here for anyone, any occasion.
Can you show me? I'm dying to see
I'd love
this.
to.
Awesome. So Brian, we just sat at a bar.
Yes, we did.
This is a bar.
Full-blown bar.
I went through a candy store, and now I'm sitting at a bar.
To a bar and then a full-scale restaurant behind it. So
That's
it's
awesome.
a little bit of everything here at Sugar Factory.
I think it's everything that I need. I think it's a beautiful fusion, and I can't think of anything more fun than to walk through a candy odyssey, and then I can actually sit down and have a drink.
From 2 to 92, there's something on the roof here at Sugar Factory for everybody.
Where do I want to go with this? Oh, you know, so listen, Brian, before we embark on whatever you're gonna help me try, did you happen to notice that I kind of got rid of some of the product that I was looking at?
I saw what you broke, but that's what we have insurance for.
Do I still get my mystery treat?
You still get your mystery treat.
All right, hang on a second. Note to self. Despite the fact that management busted you, you may be forgiven at Sugar Factory. It's very sweet. Okay. So what is this mystery treat you have for me?
Now for your surprise.
Okay, if we're staying at the bar, does that mean my mystery treat is alcoholic?
That is correct.
That is the best news I've heard all day.
Today you get to taste one of our goblets that's actually made with Pitbull's vodka, Vole. This is our fuzzy peach penguin mango goblet.
Fuzzy peach penguin mango goblet.
You got it.
Blessed by Pitbull himself.
Correct.
Awesome. Dude, before you leave me, can I ask you a question? Ernest Hemingway said that drinks and dessert don't go together.
It's not true of the Sugar Factory.
It's not true of the Sugar Factory.
I think we got it down right.
This is the fusion we were talking about.
Enjoy your cocktail.
All right.
I gotta
Thanks,
run.
man. It's been
All
such a
right.
pleasure,
Take
Brian.
care.
Adrian, before you start, just give me a second. So apparently Ernest Hemingway was absolutely wrong because he'd never met a fuzzy penguin peach penguin mango
The fuzzy peach penguin mango goblet.
blessed by Pitbull himself. I mean, let's test it out. All right, let's do this, man. Hit me.
You got Voli vodka over here. You have peach syrup,
Where's the penguin?
mango.
That
You
looks
got
like real
pineapple
mango. Pineapple, beautiful.
and a Sprite.
And Sprite. So the penguin's like in the essence.
Yeah.
There's no actual penguin.
No, it's coming up. It's coming up after. Then you have dry ice.
That's crazy. It's very American portion. I'm gonna roll with this. Like everything looks normal at this bar, but nothing is as it seems. Like all the garnishes are all the candy I always want to eat. What is that, bro? Oh, the penguins.
All the penguins. All the penguins are.
All right, we have the penguins. These are a couple, and they love each other. I'm gonna spare them. All right, we're doing this together, guys. Poor penguins who died in the Arctic volcano of deliciousness.
Enjoy.
By the way, I gotta commend you guys for the paper straws.
We're doing this for the animals.
Yes, for the actual penguins
For the
that don't
actual
need
penguins.
straws eventually. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
And that's how it's done here at the Sugar Factory. Damn, that's good, bro.
It's really
Wow, sir, that is really good.
good. I'm glad you like it.
It's delicious. There's so I can taste all the peach. Do you guys have like wheelchair assistance to get people out of here?
Yeah.
All right,
Actually,
but-
we drag it up.
That's you,
We're
bro.
dragging them up. Right.
Fuzzy peach
That's the peach, right?
penguin deliciousness plus pitbull. Adrian, it was a pleasure, man.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much. This is
Thank you.
enormous. Get that wheelchair ready.
Enjoy it.
So that was it, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to share this with Hemingway, and I would. It's a big drink. Listen, I think we did pretty well today. We found 3 for 3, some of the best desserts on South Beach. So I'm just gonna sit back, I'm gonna finish this cocktail. I don't know, maybe improvise the next show. Best of the beach nightlife? What do you guys think? Looks like that's a go. I'm Jason Kesser. This has been Best of the Beach Desserts. I'll see you next time.
Penguins out!